you probably can't see. The goal here is not to have it hit the garage. One already hit the new shed down there. One took out our chicken coop that we store stuff in. That chicken coop is gone. So we're just trying to get this one to just go straight there, because I really don't want to lose any of that over there. The only problem with living where there's lots of trees is pretty much nothing's safe once the wind starts to blow. The noise you hear in the background isn't anything running, it's just the wind. One of the biggest fears about being out here isn't getting hit by a fallen tree. It's getting hit by a branch that's coming out of one of these trees. That'll do a lot of damage. A little thing out down there. Oh, there's another one down there, Lane. Just waiting for one big wind to come up and take this tree out. She'll be gone. Oh. Whatever you do, please don't hit the truck. Oh, there she goes. Is that the ground's frozen. So this shed's only like 2 months old down here. It's not even the tree I thought was gonna fall. This tree, you see this leaning tree right here? I always thought this one was the one who was gonna fall on it. It still might. Maybe I'll grab the come along for that one. All right, well that's done. Time to go back into the house. Oh, just wait this out. It's supposed to storm for the whole, I think for the whole next 24 hours. So, hooray, huh? Just got done filming that other tree falling, and this one came right down.
Right on top of Duke.
Right on Duke's fence.
Well, luckily he was in his house.
Yes. Yeah, I mean, that plastic house would have helped a lot.
Well, I know, but I mean...
Wow, just as we were talking about how all the trees over here looked okay, we just went right down. Look, there's the carport.
Oh, did it hit anything over at the end?
There's the dome.
No.
Right to the tip of the carport
There ain't any more lodgepole around here. I think we're going to follow those dang lodgepoles, which they're all down anyway, so I guess it doesn't matter.
Oh, this is pretty crazy. Surprised none of these cottonwoods have come down yet. Back to the... It's cold. It's about 27 degrees outside. Back to the old bourbon here, huh?